Have you ever wondered what truly safeguards your ability to speak your mind, share your thoughts, or express your beliefs without fear of government reprisal? It is a fundamental aspect of American life, often taken for granted. The primary constitutional protections covering free expression in the United States stem from the First Amendment to the Constitution. This foundational amendment explicitly states that Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. This means the government generally cannot censor or punish individuals for what they say or publish. The why behind this protection is rooted in the belief that a robust marketplace of ideas is essential for a healthy democracy. The First Amendment ensures that citizens can openly discuss and criticize government actions, allowing for the free exchange of diverse opinions. It covers not just spoken or written words, but also symbolic acts, artistic expression, and even the right not to speak. The Supreme Court has consistently held that government actions that suppress speech based on its content are subject to the highest level of judicial scrutiny, making them very difficult to justify. Understanding these protections means recognizing that while broad, they are not absolute. For instance, the freedom of speech does not protect certain narrow categories of expression like incitement to violence, true threats, defamation, or obscenity. The how-to in applying these protections involves courts carefully balancing individual expression against compelling government interests, such as public safety or national security, using specific legal tests to determine the permissible scope of regulation. An important distinction the courts often make is between content-based and content-neutral regulations. A content-based regulation targets speech because of its message, while a content-neutral regulation restricts speech without regard to its message, focusing instead on things like time, place, and manner. Content-based restrictions are almost always unconstitutional unless they fall into one of those narrow, unprotected categories. This highlights the government's limited power to control the substance of what people say. Ultimately, grasping the constitutional protections for free expression empowers you to understand your own rights and the essential role they play in upholding a vibrant, informed, and self-governing society. These protections foster civic engagement, encourage discovery of truth, and ensure that diverse voices can contribute to public discourse, which benefits everyone.